morning, and I'm here at Nordstrom local Melrose, and I'm about to have my very first masterclass. And this is for their anniversary sale beauty bash. I am so grateful to be partnering with them for this video. This is a really exciting, but I'm a little nervous since it's something that I've never done before. And I've done makeup on myself, you know, my entire life. But on people, maybe like 2 or 3 times. Today is definitely going to be a new experience, and I cannot wait to show you guys the final look. The makeup look that I'm doing today is kind of like what to wear to work. So something light, bright, and very natural. So we're just setting up all the makeup over here. We've got some MAC mascara, and then we've got the Naked 2 Basics palette. This is all you really need. It's got all the neutrals, and you can create some bomb-ass looks with this one palette.
That might be it, honestly.
And the rest, you'll just have to watch the masterclass. Okay, so we're in the back room. I just met my beautiful model today. This is Gabrielle.
Hi!
I'm so excited to play with your face. We're gonna see what we come up with. I'm gonna do like a fresh work look, you know, something natural just to enhance her natural beauty. So let's do this.
How exciting!
Thank you guys so much for coming out here on a Saturday, you know, so it really, really means a lot. I mean, this is going to be really fun. This is my first time doing anything like this, so let's go for the ride, baby. You just kind of want your own skin to peek through. You still want to look like yourself. And so today, I've got my beautiful model, Gabby, and we're going to use her face as a canvas. This is honestly like my first love with eyebrow products, but you know, I had to walk away from a little bit just so I can miss it. My lips, I don't get too adventurous. I mean, I love a good orange every now and again, but the eyes is where I can really express myself. So we just finished the masterclass, and this is the final look that I did on Gabby. We went for something very, very natural. Hey everyone, so I am back home, and I thought I would sit down and just go over the look that I did at the Nordstrom Masterclass. That was in celebration for their anniversary sale, which is happening right now to August 5th. And so I did this really fresh, easy look that you can wear to work using all the products that are on the sale right now. And so I thought that I would show you how I did it step by step, so let's get started. So I'm starting off with cleansed and moisturized skin. I've added SPF already, and now I'm gonna move straight into primer. I'm using Laura Mercier's foundation primer, and I really like this formula because it almost feels like another moisturizer. It's kind of a thin consistency, and so your skin just absorbs it really quickly. So I'm just gonna dot this across my face and just let that sink in. So let's dive into foundation. I'm using Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It has SPF 15, which is great, and I am in the shade Warm Natural. So I'm gonna start off with one pump first, and I'm just gonna dot this across my face and blend using my beauty blender. I love this new set that they have. It has like a little home that it comes with, and so when you wash your beauty blender, you can just put it in its case and it can dry hygienically. But yeah, I'm just gonna work on just blending this all out and just having a nice foundation base. So now that we have the first layer done, I'm gonna get another little pump, and I'm gonna use this to use as a concealer. I'm just gonna apply it into my areas where I need a little bit of extra help. So that's gonna be underneath the eyes, around the nose, and a little bit around the mouth. I love it when you can just use a foundation as a concealer because it just minimizes your routine and it's one less item on your makeup counter. So now that the base is done, I'm gonna set everything with the powder. I'm using Bobbi Brown's Skin Weightless Powder Foundation in the shade Warm Sand. And I've opted for this because I wanted to just shell out the big guns. I have noticed that when I get stressed, especially with work situations, my face tends to get a little bit oilier. So that's why I've chosen this. This is really gonna mattify and prevent my face from getting too oily. So now that the base is officially finished, I'm gonna tackle my eyebrows. I'm going back to an old favorite of mine, which is Anastasia's Brow Wiz. I have a long relationship with this eye pencil and I still absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw in my brows like I normally do, kind of straight with a little baby arch. So I brought you guys a little closer because now we're gonna focus on the eyeshadow. I'm using Urban Decay's Naked 2 Basics palette, and I love how compact it is. It's got every color I need to do something really natural and fresh. And so for the first shade, I'm gonna use Stark, and I'm gonna use that as a base all over my lid. Now I'm gonna grab Cover, and I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this for my outer crease. So I grabbed another fluffy brush and now I'm just gonna work on really smoothing out the edges and making it look very smoky and seamless. So now I'm grabbing my slightly denser brush and I'm gonna dip into Cover again, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer corners just for a little bit more definition. Now I'm gonna dip into Skimp and I'm gonna apply that at the inner corners of my eyes and also my brow bone. This is just gonna open the eyes and just give my eyes a little bit more dimension. Instead of using my typical liquid eyeliner look, I am gonna use Undone, and using this flat, kind of more compact, dense brush, I'm gonna use that to give my eyes a little bit of a cat eye. It's gonna be really subtle and soft. So I'm just gonna give my lashes a good old pump with my lash curler just so I can prep it for mascara. For my lashes, I'm using MAC's In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara, and I'm just gonna take my time and really coat every single one of my baby lashes until they are coated with this product. So the mascara is done, and now we're gonna work on contour. I'm using Bobbi Brown's Deluxe Eye and Cheek Palette, and this thing is so dope because on one side, you've got the eyeshadows, and the other side, you have this cheek set. And so I'm gonna use this bronzer over here, and I'm gonna start carving out my cheekbones. To add a little bit of color back to my face, I'm using this peachy, shimmery shade. This is gonna double as my blush and my highlighter. And now to finish off the look, I'm using this lip color by Anastasia. This is their liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I think this is perfect for work because it's easy, fast, and most of all, it shows your natural beauty. I absolutely loved using these products from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Please make sure to check it out because there are so many holy grail items on there. The sale is from now to August 5th, so snatch them up while you can. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah.